Beep, 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 beep.
Hi.
Beep, 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 beep. Hey, you see that thing? See it over there, on the tree now. That one.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, squirrel.
Yeah.
Squirrel where?
Like
On the tree right there.
the tree from
Climbing up the tree.
Yeah.
Animal Kingdom. That's the Animal Kingdom tree.
That tree was huge.
Yeah, because it was fake.
Big tree. It even has like a show about bugs.
We got some military guys.
Are the same ones?
Probably.
Here comes the soldier.
They're the same one.
What would happen if you
I'm pretty sure they'll leave out. They just keep walking.
probably get 4 stars.
Where do we go now?
Just around.
If you want to talk or want to go
Good look here.
inside,
What's over here?
You can go inside.
Go
Yeah.
inside.
parking over there.
There's parking here.
Yeah, that's right.
Why do they have soldier patrol?
I can park here?
Yeah,
Training?
Right here?
yeah, I think so.
Maybe just in case.
It says parking, so.
Can you bring the bread?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's food. Okay, go ahead. Just put it in.
Here?
Right there. Okay, one more. Okay, now pick. I guess you pick one. Did it come out yet? No? Oh yeah, you got it. There. Let's see it. What's it? Let me see. She's got the thing on this side, see?
We have 1 hour yet.
I don't know. What time did it start?
I don't know. Maybe you take the key back. They said, okay, another hour.
Gonna pay more. Want to stop here or what? What's over here?
Nothing. They don't let you go inside.
Oh, renovation.
Yeah, it would have been too difficult. Oh, over there.
See
Let's
it?
go over here.
Yeah, 11.
Elephant boy. bushes.
Yeah, parking over there.
I'll park right here.
It's cool. Oh, those are the Italian ones.
Go speak to Italian.
Hey.
Oh,
Like
there's
that?
so many.
Yeah. Just go like that. Just hey.
There's so
And
many.
then kiss them cheek to cheek.
Yeah, you can go over there. Whoa! Stop! Don't move until. Yeah, go there. You see that? You see that?
That's a safe elephant. Kyle, go pet the elephant. He doesn't bite.
This the ones that speak Italian?
I think. Or maybe no, I don't think.
Sounded. Didn't really sound like it.
No, inside the shop, yeah. Inside the shop, yeah. See,
Oh yeah.
Mister.
Okay.
Pasta.
Let's go take a picture of the elephants. Huh?
I'm on this grass at home.
Stand right there.
Here, sure. Kyle.
We'll go back sometime.
Okay.
See if like expanding it. Want to run into the sprinklers?
Yeah. Let's go into the water.
There we go inside.
Go swimming.
That bridge over there. Is it?
Looks, we'll see. People live here?
I think look like people park the car over there and they walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, look like they walk. They park
You park over there, but
parking over there.
on the
I
bridge.
think down there they have
Oh yeah, I see
parking.
it. I see it. Beep beep.
Beep.
No sign today.
Oh,
Oh wait, there.
you can't go any further once you're over
Oh,
here.
they're leaving. Let them leave.
Okay. I guess I'll just park on the side right here. Huh?
ユキも降らないです。
It's like going up the Tower of Peace. Let's go up the Tower of Pisa.
Yay, it's my first time. Where do I put my hat?
I think you can wear it. Hmm?
Can I just put it in here?
Yeah.
Let's go up.
Okay. Let's make our way up. There might be people coming down though.
I bet they were scared. They probably thought they were scared. It looked like this.
What? Anything to see?
This doesn't look.
I heard Michael. Tower of Pisa is tough. I don't know. I heard him.
Michael, you're in here, right?
Excuse me? I think he's up there.
Oh my gosh. Wanna go up?
Yeah, we'll go up. Hold on. We gotta wait for people to come down. Okay, go ahead. Go up. You guys go ahead. Now this does remind me of the Tower of Pisa at this point. It had like stop-off points to rest.
Look at this upper point. That's just a feet. I wish that was okay.
Oh, someone's behind you. Careful, okay?
That was open. Be careful. Yeah. I'm scared.
Well, the Tower of Pisa was worse than this. Going.
Nothing beats the Tower of Pisa. How is it? Scary?
I'm scared.
Well, that's it. You can't go up anymore. Whoa. Do not enter.
Probably it's broken or on the.
It's a little concerning that I see cracks in the ground.
Looks like we're actually gonna fall. If I said it out loud, everyone is just gonna chase me and save me.
I said it's a little concerning that there's cracks in the ground.
Looks like we're gonna fall.
You know what I mean? We can make our way back down.